News from the capital now, and as Delhi and Haryana spar over the water crisis, today the Supreme Court came down heavily on the Delhi government over the tanker mafia and alleged water wastage, asking what measures have you taken against them. NDTV's Ishika Verma visited the Munak Canal, which provides water to the capital, and found a tanker illegally filling water.
As Delhi's water crisis deepens in this harsh summer, the 102-kilometer-long Munak Canal from Haryana to Delhi, the main source of drinking water to the national capital, has become the biggest bone of contention between the two states and between the BJP and Delhi's AAP government. The BJP has accused the AAP government of failing to stop pilferage from the canal, while the Delhi ALG has said as much as 1/5 of Delhi's water is being stolen from the canal within the boundaries of the capital. The Aam Aadmi Party has refuted the allegations and said the Haryana government is deliberately withholding water for Delhi. At ground zero, the NDTV team found this tanker marked with Delhi Jal Board initials, drawing water from the canal. Something a legitimate DGP tanker is not supposed to do.
The Delhi BJP, in fact, has also raised questions on the Delhi government. In fact, they have gone on to say that the tankers that are present here, and we are showing you in our very frame, you can see the tankers that are present here, the private tankers that are present here. The BJP alleges that they are in fact taking water, stealing water from here, and that is why the water scarcity is only deepening here.
This as the Supreme Court asked tough questions to the AAP government, asking what they were doing to crack down on the tanker mafia in the capital. Earlier today, Delhi Water Minister Atishi said that the government would ensure zero water was wasted from leakages in the capital.
It is the residents of Delhi who continue to be on the suffering end, and they are still waiting for all the stakeholders to come together and take action and provide them with a concrete solution that could end this crisis. Now with camera person Xavier, this is Ishika Verma for NDTV.